Hey, how's it going? Name's Zach. Back with the video. Sold a Tacoma a while back. Those from really old videos I had. Went out to a 2017 GTI. Sold that after about like 4 years of ownership. Love that car. My current job, I ended up needing something 4x4 for winters because I really need to be able to get to work for the kind of work I do now. So now I got a 2010 FJ Cruiser in Army Green. It's a base model 4x4. It's got a couple packages on it. I'm not exactly sure which ones, but it does offer the rear differential lock, has A-track, has the subwoofer, has the auxiliary power in the back, 400 watt. And yeah, we're gonna do some off-roading, get some good footage, and just have some fun. Recently just put a about 2.5 inch lift. It's a Bilstein 5100 shocks, along with OME rear springs. These rear springs should give about 1.5 inches of lift in the back, and then the front shocks, they're adjustable Bilstein 5100s, so those are set up to the max setting, which is about 2.5 inch lift. And we're running two 285/70 17-inch Yokohama Geolander MT tires. So we're gonna put these to the test today. Just got the alignment done last week, so we're gonna have some fun out here. Probably not gonna do anything too challenging, as it's getting kind of late, and I just kind of want to do this last minute because I was a little bored at home. So here we go. I have my GoPro set up to a Joby adjustable camera mount right now, so it's hanging on the rear view mirror, so maybe a little more shaky than used to with the GoPros, but it'll work. Something just quick on the fly. We're doing everything right now in 2-wheel drive until we need to put it in 4. It's been a long time since I've been off-roading, so everything might be a little different now. But I'll tell you what, even the little bumps like this, the suspension feels great. I went off-roading in this when it was stock. It had highway tires. Still had the original suspension in the back, but the fronts were replaced with some OE equivalent shocks I've never heard of, and it rode kind of like shit, for lack of better words. And this thing just drives like a dream. It doesn't feel as floaty in the back as it used to. So we're just entering a little sand wash right now. And this little area here will kind of give us access to all the other off-road areas. Just gotta be a little careful going through here, because the last I remember, there's some rocks they had laid down. They're a little sharp, so shouldn't be a problem for these E-load tires. Sorry, I might be hearing some things rattle in the back. I have some collapsible crates back there. Do a little horn blast, just in case. A lot of people ride dirt bikes, ATVs out here, so I always want to be extra safe going around the corners. Oh wow, this thing just drives so nice through here. Last time I was going through here, it had some Bridgestone tires. I forgot what model they were, but they were just regular highway tires. And they were just slipping through all the sand through here, and this thing is just going through no problem. And it's sad to see. There's a lot of people dumping trash out here, and dumps literally right across the street. People want to pay $5 just to dump a bed. So please don't litter, guys. Oh wow, this changed a lot since the last time I was here. Let's just since we haven't used it, probably be a good time to exercise the gears. Throw this thing into go into 4 low. We're also going to turn off RSCA. Okay. Make sure doors are locked. Alright, so we're in 4 high. Shift over to neutral. Then go into 4 low. Alright, there it is, 4 low. Kind of just rock it back to neutral a little bit, and then go ahead and drive. Oh yeah, so you get some good scratches right there. Go through this line here. We just barely fit through that, guys. Literally inches on the side. Yeah, that 4 low is just doing everything, all the work. Just barely pressing on the pedal. This is gonna get a pretty high angle right here. Good flex right here. All right, guys, that's it. Peace out.